Some women will act interested,
then suddenly pull back, give mixed signals, or play hard to get. Most guys react by chasing harder, and that's exactly the wrong move. In this video, I'll show you how to handle women who play hard to get without losing your confidence or self-respect. These 6 steps will keep you in control, make you more attractive, and stop you from wasting time on games.
1. Don't chase her. Match her energy instead.
When a woman plays hard to get, don't chase. Match her energy. If she takes hours to reply, you do the same. If she seems distant, don't push harder. Women test men to see who stays calm and who gets emotional. If you stay cool and unbothered, you show strength. Most guys overdo it and end up looking desperate. A confident man lets her show interest too. He doesn't try to convince her. He watches and sees if she's worth his time. You're not ignoring her, but you're not overgiving either. Let her feel your absence sometimes. That's when she starts wondering why you're not chasing, and that flips the game in your favor.
2. Stay focused on your life.
A lot of guys lose focus when a girl plays hard to get. They stop chasing goals and start chasing her.
That is a mistake.
Women are drawn to men with purpose. Stay on your grind. Keep hitting the gym, working your goals, and living your life. If she texts, answer when it fits your schedule. Don't drop your mission to win her. A man with ambition becomes magnetic. You're not trying to prove your value. You're letting her notice it. That's how you earn respect and attraction.
3. Give her space to miss you.
Sometimes the best move is to fall back. Don't chase when she pulls away. Let her miss your presence. Most guys keep texting or calling more. That kills the attraction. If she's into you, silence will make her curious. If not, you'll know where you stand. Either way, you keep your power. Giving space isn't playing games. It is showing confidence. A man who can walk away is rare. When she feels your absence, that's when she starts thinking about you more. 4. Don't reward bad behavior. If she cancels plans, ignores texts, or plays games, don't reward it with more attention. Stay cool, but don't let disrespect slide. You don't need to argue. Just pull back. Set a standard without saying much. When you let bad behavior slide, it continues. But when you stay calm and remove your attention, she feels the shift. That's when she rethinks her actions. A man with boundaries is rare. Don't tolerate games. Reward effort, not disrespect.
5. Let her chase you sometimes.
You don't have to do all the work. If she's into you, she'll show it. Let her call, text, and plan things too. If she's acting distant, don't beg. Let her wonder what you're doing. Women value what they work for. If everything comes too easy, they lose interest. Keep the balance. Show interest, but pull back sometimes. That mystery makes you more attractive. A high-value man doesn't chase endlessly. He lets her invest too. 6. Know when to walk away. Sometimes she's not playing hard to get. She's just not interested. Don't waste time trying to convince her. Walk away calmly. No begging, no drama. A man who knows his worth doesn't stay where he's not valued. Walking away shows strength. It tells her you're not like other guys. She may come back or not. Either way, you win. Time is your most valuable asset. Don't give it to someone who's not showing real interest. These are the 6 solid ways to handle women who are playing hard to get. If you follow these steps, you'll stay in control, keep your power, and stop wasting time on games. Thanks for watching to the end. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's build a community of high-value men who dominate every area of life. See you in our next video.